So good morning, everyone. Welcome to Linux, AWS, and DevOps session. Yesterday, we started a little bit about autoscaling and how we can achieve this autoscaling. Okay. So we are going to see practically, we have seen about how this autoscaling is going to impact, what is the benefit, some points we have observed. What was those points? Let me give you a quick review. So, for example, if you want to scale in and scale out. For example, our application is there and suddenly traffic increase. You want to scale out. What does it mean by scale out? Adding extra EC2 instance to match the load. Load means traffic. Traffic means people or customer or clients who are accessing our application. That increases means we have to scale out. Suddenly the traffic decreases means scale in means we have to remove EC2 instance. So we have to ensure that minimum maximum number of machine running. This is what our agenda for auto scaling. Okay, now automatically register new instance to load balancer and replace unhealthy instance. So we'll see how we can achieve this. Now try to observe, guys. First, where I have to go? We will start. We will create one first EC2 instance. Then we will create load balancer. Then we will go for what auto scaling. Right? This is our diagram. We will create load balancer. Okay. Then we will try to see how this EC2 increases, EC2 instance increases and decreases. Okay. Now try to observe, guys. So what is our step first? We will create EC2 instance. EC2 instance we will create. Okay. After that, we will create one application load balancer. Okay. Then we will go for a auto scaling. Okay. Auto scaling. Okay. These three things we are going to see now. Okay. Now try to observe, guys. I am here now in EC2. We have logged in. I'm in Asia Pacific. Okay. Now I am going to EC2 instance. Okay. Now launch instance. Launch instance. Okay. Launch instance. I am going to create two instance. So I am giving what? Name instance. Okay. Instance. Then we will give two number here. Two instance. Then same thing, Amazon Linux I am going to create. Then T2 micro is fine. Key pair. Proceed without key pair as I am not going to SSH and connect putty. Okay. Now I am selecting the security group. Okay. We will add one security group also. Explicitly. Advanced detail. Here I am going to give two scripts. What is our script? Commonly we are using. What is the purpose? Install the package. Let me copy paste. What is the purpose? Install the package. Install the server. HTTP server. Start the server. Server gets started. We are enabling the server. And we are just adding one changing in index.html in that particular server. Adding one hello world. So that it will be treated as our application. Because we don't have an application. So this will be treated as application, this hello world. It is running in index.html file inside one server. It means we are just having one basic index.html file that is deployed into server. Now I will create on launch instance. Okay, anything else? No. Let me create launch instance. Okay, now our instances are created. Let me come here. Let me give one name to this instance, instance 1. Let me give instance 1. Fine. Let me give this instance 2. That is also fine. Till now you are good, right? Right? Okay. Let me check whether these are working fine or not. Copy this IP address. Come here. Paste here. Enter. It is working, right? It is working. It is working, right? Now, Now come back here. We will check second instance also, whether it is working or not. Paste here. The second instance is also working fine. Now come back here. What you have to do? We have to go create load balancer. So where we will go? Inside load balancer. Come here. We need to create load balancer. Create load balancer. We are going to create application load balancer. Perfectly fine. Let me create load balancer. So I am giving ALB with ASG. I am giving this name. Load balancer with autoscaling. That's why I am giving such name. Everything is same what we had previously done. I for availability zone and subnet. What is subnet you don't know, but availability zone you know. We are just deploying application in all the three zones. Okay? Now we will not use default security group. We will create our own security group. Okay. So that going forward, we have seen I don't want to use this IP address. I want only one IP address, that is DNS name. So that I am going to create one security group. I am creating one security group. The same security group I am going to use. What is the security group name I have to give? Let me give ALB with ASG SG. Let me give SG ALB security group for ALB with ASG. Okay, paste here. What is the rule? All traffic HTTP. This is CIDR range IP address. We are going to see what is meant by this. Then this is, sorry guys, we need to add rule here in inbound rules, not in outbound rules. Fine. So HTTP, then custom from anywhere. Inbound rules we have added. Now we are nothing to do with outbound, but it is, I can delete also, no problem, but let it be. Create security group. Okay. This security group is created. SG for, this is the security group name. Copy this. Okay. Now come back here. Refresh it. It is coming SG for. Okay. So let me remove the default one. I will remove default one. Perfectly fine. Come back here. It is asking to create target group. What is mean by target group? Target group is where this load balancer is linking with whatever EC2 instance is there. Let us create one target group. You know this previously also. I am creating target group. We are using instance. Fine. Come down. I am giving target ALB with ASG, some name. So what we are doing today? That similar name I am giving. Target ALB. ALB means application load balancer with autoscaling. Perfectly fine. IPv. We are going to understand what is IPv4, IPv6 in upcoming session. Okay, fine. Everything is fine. Go here. Next. Already two IP address is there. For two instance. Click there. Include as pending. Include as pending, and these are linked. These two instances are linked. Okay. Let me create target group. This target group is created. Okay. If you go here down, it is in unused state. Unused state because these are created. This target group is created, but it is not linked with anyone. Okay. Target group is linked with these two instances, but it is, this target group is unused. Come back here. What is the name of target group? Copy paste. Copy this name. Come back here. It is ALB target home. Previous one is coming. Let me refresh it. See, target ALB with ASG. This is our name, right? Select this. We have selected this, right? Now come down, come down, come down, and create just load balancer. Create load balancer. Now what will happen, guys? We have seen it will take some time. It will take some time. Come here, come here. It was unused, right? It was unused. Let me refresh this. Initial, initiated, target group initiated means we have here in here we have started linked with the target group, so it is initiated. Now we will see it will take a moment to provision and in running state. We have to wait. It is still provisioning. We have to wait for a minute. Okay. It will take few minutes, guys. We have to wait unless it is active. The status is active. Yeah, now it is active, right? Come back here, target. What is showing now here? Target group initial. Can I refresh now? Yeah, it is linked with EC2 instance and it is healthy state. Okay, it means these are target group perfectly linked with this. Okay, now come here, guys. Copy this DNS name, paste here, enter here. Now it is working, right? It is working. IP address are changing. Perfect, fine. But I don't want this IP address also. I don't want to access. I want to stop this access. What we have did for this, whatever the security group for load balancer, the same security group should come here, right? For this instance. So let me come back to instance. Where is my EC2 instance? This is my EC2 instance. One minute. What is our load balancer? Here our load balancer. Okay. Come inside here. Okay. What is the security? This is the name of the security group. Okay. Same name I will copy and I will use for EC2 instance. Same security group. Come here. EC2 instance. Instance is running. I am going inside EC2 instance 2. The security group is same for both instance na. Okay. Let me come here. Come here. Inside this. Edit inbound rule. What is saying, guys? HTTP anywhere na. Let me delete this. I have deleted this. HTTP. Now I will again use HTTP. But this time what we will give? We will give security group name. See, this is the name I have given. Okay. Now, can I save rule? Yes. Let me save the rule. The new inbound rule is we have given. Okay, we have given one inbound rule. Now let's try it and come back here. See, it is in timeout state. It is keep on rotating, means timeout. It is not working. It is not working. Both IP address, if you observe here it is rotating na. It is not working fine. Means one cannot able to use this. Hope you are good till this. Now clear drawing. Okay. Can I come here? Can I use? See, our load balancer is working fine. Now this part is done, right? In our diagram, what we have did till now, EC2 instance is fine. This is fine. We have done with this EC2 instance and ALV. Now our job is auto scaling. How we can achieve auto scaling? Let's focus on that. Till now you are good, right? Okay. We will go where? Auto scaling. Where is auto scaling? Here it is auto scaling, right? Can I click on auto scaling group? Let me come here. Auto scaling, right? What is showing? Create auto scaling. What is mean by auto scaling? Amazon issue to auto scaling help maintain availability of your application. Auto scaling groups are collection of Amazon EC2 instances. Auto scaling groups means collection of EC2 instance only. What it is doing? To enable automatic scaling and fleet manager feature to maintain a healthy availability of your application. Right? Okay. Can I create this? See how it's work. See, minimum size, desired capacity, maximum size, scale as needed. Scale out as needed means whenever we require it can increase or decrease. Okay. And auto scaling is same. You can read this also. Okay. Benefits and feature you can read this also. Let me create auto scaling group. Now I have started auto scaling group. Can I give name demo ASG, demo ASG, demo ASG? One I am giving name demo ASG. Auto scaling group name. This is the group name. What is this? Launch template. It is asking launch template. Okay. Choose and launch template that contain instance level settings such as AMI, instance type, key pairs. What I told you, what is mean by auto scaling group? Auto scaling group is nothing but collection of EC2 instance. So what we are going to do, again, we are going to create instance only, but we are giving some configuration now. Same thing. Choose template means what? What do you mean by template? Template means something we can reuse, right? But template contains what? Instance level setting. Instance, whatever EC2 instance we are going to create, such as AMI, right? Instance type, key pair, security group. You know all these things. Whenever we are launching EC2, that time it is coming. First, we need to select that. So we need to create a launch template. Now we are in launch template. Okay, fine. Now I have to give some name na. Okay. Can I give some name? My ASG demo, my ASG demo template. Can I give such name? Okay. Can I paste description also same way? Okay. Now next is what? What it is asking? See guys, application operating system images is asking. Go to quick start. See, same time, same thing is coming now. How we are creating EC2 instance. Same thing. Image we have to operating system image I have created selected. Come down. You look and feel everything is same now. Architecture. Then instance type I need to select. Come here. I will see T2 micro. We can give our own configuration also, but same whatever application previous EC2 instance, same thing I am using. Okay. Don't include in launch template. No pair key pair I am giving. ठीक है, no key pair I am giving. Okay. Now After that, we have to go to network setting now. Okay, network setting. There is select existing security group is there, right? ALB demo SG. Okay, we can use that ALB demo SG. And we will otherwise we'll see what was the name of that time we have used for security group is SG. This name we will use. Okay, come here, paste here. Yeah, it is coming now. This is we are using for what? Same security group we are using, right? Okay, now for load balancer, same security group I am using. What is this security group? The security group is allowing to uh, allow HTTP network, right? Now, can I click on advanced network configuration? Okay, nothing is there, right? No volume I am adding, advanced detail. Come back here. Can I give can I give some script, similar script for this server also? Same application we want to run na. So same script I am giving. Okay. Now everything is fine, right? I have given the script. Now can I create on launch template? Now final it is done, right? Now I am giving create launch template. Now template is created. Can I come back here? This is our step. Okay. What is the name of this template? Let me go here. What is the name? My SG template, right? Let me copy this name. Come back here. Paste here. First refresh this. My SG template is coming, right? Select this. Now, after selection, what is coming, guys? See here. Read this carefully. It is giving, this template is giving what? This is the my T2 micro. This no key pair I have selected for this. This is the security group. Okay, all these thing is coming, right? Now, after that, come down. We can select next. Next step. Okay, after that, come to network. What is this? Second step, choose instance launch option. Okay, now go down. Availability zone. We can select availability zone where we want to deploy our application in all availability zone. See what is giving availability zone distribution, balance based effort. Balance based effort it is giving. Okay. Now let me select that and next. Now third step. What is asking? Balance load balancing. Do you need load balancing? No load balancer also fine. And attach to existing load balancer. Can I click here? Attach to existing load balancer. What is my load balancer name? Just now I created target ALB with ASG application load balancer. This balancer I have created today. So I will select that now. Okay, fine. Now guys. Okay. After that, yeah, yeah. After that, what is this? Ignore all this thing. Health check, turn on elastic load balancer, health check. We can check this box. Okay. So that our health check we can check what is going on. Okay. Now, can I click on next? Fine. Now, this is coming, right? Desired capacity. Auto scaling, we have seen what is desired capacity, what is minimum capacity. For now, let it be one. We will change because we are going to change what is desired capacity, the minimum capacity, maximum desired capacity. We can change it in our example. Now, go down. I don't want to attach no policy. After this example, we will see policy, how to change, how our policy is going to impact. Okay, for now, no policy. Okay, just I am clicking on next. Any add notification? Do you want any I am going next only. No notification for now. We'll see how it will work. Again, no tags, that is optional. This is complete review. Whatever step we have done, review is coming, right? What is template we have selected, instance option is there or not, everything is coming, right? Now, come down, everything is done, right? Create auto scaling group. So now it is updating the capacity. Now try to observe. Now try to observe. I finally created. Let it be updated its capacity. It will give notification that it is perfectly running fine. Go inside this, right? Now try to observe. So how we can understand that our auto scaling is working fine or not, right? This is the details whatever we have created. Today we have created this security group, AMI ID, T2 micro. We have activities, guys. We have activity. Inside activity, inside activity, perfectly fine. First time it failed, second time launching a new EC2 instance. It is giving the history, whatever it is going in background, it is giving history. Okay, now try to observe. We have created what? How many instance we have created? We will see that also. How many instance we have created? Instance management. See, automatically it created one more instance now. Guys, tell me, initially how many instance I have created by load balancer? Two instance I have created. And this instance is created by whom? This instance is created by whom? This auto scaling group. We will verify each and everything. Come to here, EC2 instance. We will see how many instances are running. How many instances are running? 3. Did I create a third one? No. Did I create a third one? No. I have created only 2. That is instance 1 and instance 2. Did I create instance 3? No. Let me refresh it. It is initializing. It is initializing. Third one, it is initializing. I did not create the third one. Okay. Now. So, now try to observe, guys. This is the instance. Okay. Now, can I come here? Let it be, it is in healthy state. It is in healthy state. Let me refresh this. It is also running. Means how many instances are running now? 3. Come here. Come here. 1, 2, 3. What is coming? Try to observe. 204, 916, 5204. 5204, 916. These are two instances. Okay? Now try to observe, guys. 916, 524. Okay. These are two instances. Now try to observe. We will increase and decrease the capacity. Now try to observe. Come to here, auto scaling. Now try to observe. How we can change, how we can check whether we are increasing or decreasing, that we will see here. Monitoring. So here, no, not here. In activity. Come to here, target group. Instance management. This is perfectly fine. Lifecycle hook. Monitoring. Let come here. What is my desired capacity? Desired capacity is 1. Now try to observe, guys. I am in activity. Activity and see history. First time it got failed, second time is created. Let me increase the capacity. How I can increase the capacity? Come here and edit. What is showing, guys? desired capacity, minimum capacity, maximum capacity. Can I increase this to 3? 3. Minimum and maximum I am giving 3. Okay? Let me give minimum 2. Let me update this, guys. So what will happen? Group size. It is specify the size of auto scaling group by changing desired capacity. You can also specify minimum and maximum scaling limit. So we are trying to say minimum I want this much is EC2 instance. Maximum I want this much EC2 instance. So let me update this. What will happen? It will increase the EC2 instance. Now try to observe, guys. Try to observe, guys. And activity history. Let me refresh this. Let me refresh this. Refresh this. Refresh this. See, not in service. Let me refresh this. Let me refresh this. Update of auto scaling group to minimum 2, maximum 3, desired 3. Changing. It is changing. It is changing. Right? Activity history, it is changing. See, one more started, right? One more started. See history. See, first time failed, successful, then failed, then not in service, then failed. Let me refresh this. Launching a new instance, status reason you requested T2.micro is not supported in your zone. Please retry to request by not specifying an availability zone. Choosing one South A, AP, South B, EC2 instance failed. This is something we have to do configuration side by side. That what we need to create. Accordingly, we can create. Now, now try to observe. Now try to observe. Come here, details. Instance management. Refresh this. How many instances created? 3, right? 3 is created. Did I created this? No, na. I did not created this. Who created this? Auto scaling by using auto scaling we have created. Can I come here? Refresh this. Refresh this. See, one downside to 1, 2. How many we are seeing? 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3. 3 are created explicitly, na? 3 are created explicitly. Did I create it? No. Come back here. Auto scaling. Activity. Refresh this. 2 are failed. 3 are failed. Right? But these are successful. Right? Now, come here. These 2 are working fine. But there is some issue that whatever the T2 micro we have selected, okay, what is giving error? See, launching a EC2 instance status reason your requested instance type T2 to micro is not supported in your availability zone. Please try to request by not specifying an availability zone. Specify AP South 1A, AP South 1B. Launching EC2 instance failed. Okay, not in availability zone. So instance where launch to balance instance is South AP South 1C, AP South 1A. Other zone resulting in more than desired number of instance. Okay, this is the failure, but there are successful also. An instance was started in response to different between desired capacity, increasing the capacity from 2 to 3. Right? So means this is how we can observe. Right? Now try to observe. Can I decrease this? Can I decrease this capacity? Let me decrease this capacity. Now, let me decrease this capacity. I will keep only 1. I will keep only 1. I will keep only 1. Let me update this. Now I am doing scaling. Now I am doing scaling. Refresh this. In progress. Terminating EC2 instance. An instance was taken out of service in response to an ELB system health check failure. Let me refresh this. Connection draining in progress. Already three were there, na? Three created. Now we want only one. So automatically from 3 to 1 it is coming. Now try to see. Once this will be done, once this will be done, it will take some time. Connection draining means it is decreasing. Means from whatever the current numbers are there in EC2 instance, from that it is started terminating. So it takes some time. Okay. That time period, it is called connection draining in progress. Means connection is, but still we are able, and one more thing, during connection draining also, EC2, unless and until it is fully terminated, we are able to access that unless and until it is fully terminated. We will see in more detail. Come here. Let's say incident management. Right. Unhealthy. It one become unhealthy. Right. It is showing terminating. Means out of three. Did I did anything? I just editing here. Right. Capacity increasing or decreasing. Let me refresh this. Now two become unhealthy. Now two become unhealthy. Let me terminating. Activity. Not in service. Not in service. Successful. An instance was launched in response to unhealthy. They see there was one unhealthy. There was one unhealthy. So in response to unhealthy instance need to be replaced. Unhealthy instance are replaced. Come here. There was some unhealthy, but one is in service now, right? Unhealthy it is replacing, but healthy one is come here, right? Okay. Now let's go inside this. What is showing? Let me delete this inbound rule and add the inbound rule, whatever we are having for our ALB. Let me come here, select this instance, security, come here, edit inbound rule, SD. 1 minute, guys. No, for a load balancer. Sorry. Where is our load balancer? Here is our load balancer. Come here. Security. Let me copy this name. Give me HTTP here. Paste here. Select this one. Save rule. Okay. Actually, this is at the time of auto scaling, whatever the security group we have given, it should take that one only. Maybe we have given or not. So that's why explicitly I am giving now. Okay. Let me close other tab. Otherwise, so many tab will confuse us, right? Okay. Auto scaling. Let me refresh here. Only one service is going on. Okay. Till now we are good, right? Okay. So this is the guys demo how we can increase and decrease our auto scaling group. But there is one question for you. If you are going in any of the auto scaling group, do we need to do thing manually? Like I am going into ASG demo, then I am editing this, I am increasing this and decreasing this capacity. Is it our responsibility, guys, to do this all this step? No, this is just for sake of demo. We have increases and decreases, but going forward, this should be automatically na. That is the purpose, right? Automatic scaling, right? So how we can achieve that automatic scaling? So there is one concept that cloud watch, right? Means whenever we are triggering that, there are certain policy. Based on that policy only, it should work. Okay. Based on policy, it should work. We are defining some policy that we have to see uh, that how this policy is going to impact. Okay. Now, let me close this. See here, one option is there. What is this option? Automatic scaling. Instead of this changing manually, there is one option for automatic scaling. If we go down, three options are coming, right? Dynamic scaling policy, predictive scaling policy, schedule action policy, right? So we will make this auto scaling by increasing the load. How we will do that? For example, to show you practically how we increase the load. So what we will do tomorrow, we will apply these policies, dynamic policy, predictive policy. Okay, one policy will apply. And from Linux command, there are certain commands. Through this, we can increase the load, CPU load. Let me show you what is CPU load control. When we are doing task manager, we are seeing the performance na. We are seeing the performance na. ठीक है. See, this is showing na CPU uses. What is the performance? How it is going? Right? This is of my local laptop. This is of my local laptop. Similarly, the CPU. See, you are able to see, right? This is the utilization. This is utilization. CPU utilization. This is timing, right? 60% something. It is 100%. Sometime this spike is going na. So this is when I will use so many resources, the CPU's utilization is going to increase. So how easy to instance CPU utilization will increase when users are increasing. So how I can test that our functionality tomorrow what we will do by applying that policy, we will try to understand what is mean by those policy. And after that, we will apply one of the policy. We will increase the load, and we will see by automatically the instances increasing or decreasing rather than this manual effort. Today, what we have seen, how to create this auto scaling group, and we have seen by manual effort we are increasing or decreasing the capacity. But tomorrow, what you will see, auto scaling, automatic scaling will apply. You will see what is this dynamic scaling, what is this predictive scaling, and what is this schedule action. These are the options available for scaling and scale out. Okay. And then we are good with this policy also. Okay. So let me stop my screen share. I'm stopping my recording.